Have you ever wondered how to make money in just 15 minutes? Let's face it, we've all had those moments where we wish we could just snap our fingers and make some quick cash. Well, what if we told you it's not as far-fetched as it sounds? Today, we're stepping into the fascinating world of online opportunities that can help you pocket a little extra without stepping out of your comfort zone. From freelance writing to graphic design services, website development to social media management, the internet is a treasure trove of money-making ventures. And that's not all. There's also online tutoring, content creation for YouTube, selling stock photos, affiliate marketing, and even participating in online surveys or market research. In the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into each of these areas, demystifying them for you, and showing you how you can start earning in as little as 15 minutes. So stay tuned to discover how you can turn your spare 15 minutes into a money-making venture. Let's dive right into our first opportunity, freelance writing. Now, what exactly is freelance writing? Simply put, it's writing for clients on a self-employed basis. There's no boss breathing down your neck, no fixed hours. It's just you, your creative mind, and a whole lot of flexibility. You can write from the comfort of your home, a beach in Bali, or a cafe in Paris. The world is your office, so how do you get started? Well, first off, you need to hone your writing skills. Whether it's crafting engaging blogs, insightful articles, or compelling product descriptions, you need to know your way around words. There are plenty of online resources and courses that can help you improve your writing prowess. Next, you'll want to build a portfolio. This is a collection of your best work that showcases your writing style and versatility. You can start by writing sample pieces or doing small jobs for friends or local businesses. Once you have a solid portfolio, it's time to find clients. There are numerous freelance platforms out there like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer where you can find writing gigs. You can also reach out to companies directly or network in writing groups or forums. So, how much can you potentially earn? Well, that depends on a lot of factors like your experience level, the type of writing you do, and the clients you work with. Some freelance writers earn a few $100s a month, while others rake in thousands. The sky's the limit. Why is freelance writing a good option? Besides the flexibility and potential earnings, it's also a job that's in high demand. Businesses are always on the lookout for talented writers to help them communicate their brand and engage their audience. Plus, it's a job that can never be automated or outsourced, ensuring job security. So if you have a knack for words, consider freelance writing. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. And who knows, you might just find that it's the perfect fit for you. So if you have a knack for words, consider freelance writing. Scene script. Next on the list, we have graphic design services. Graphic design is an art with a purpose. It involves a creative and systematic plan to solve a problem or achieve certain objectives with the use of images, symbols, or even words. It's safe to say that graphic design is around us, shaping our daily lives in ways we often don't even notice. Now, to make a career out of graphic design services, you'll need a handful of skills. Of course, creativity is at the top of the list. You need to have a keen eye for detail and a strong sense of aesthetics. In addition, you'll need to master various graphic design software applications, such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Don't worry if you don't know these yet. There are countless online courses and tutorials available to help you get started. But let's not forget about communication skills. As a graphic designer, you'll often work with clients who have specific visions in mind. It's crucial to understand their ideas and translate them into visually compelling designs. So you see, being a graphic designer is not just about making things look pretty, it's about conveying a message effectively. Now on to finding clients. This might seem daunting at first, but there are several platforms out there that can help you. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who need their services. You can also leverage social media and your personal network to find potential clients. When it comes to potential earnings, the sky's the limit. Depending on your skill level and the complexity of the project, you can earn anywhere from $20 to a few $100s per hour. Remember, the more experience and positive reviews you have, the more you can charge. To wrap it up, if you have a knack for creating visually engaging content and communicating ideas effectively, graphic design might just be your ticket to a profitable freelance career. If you're creative and have an eye for design, this could be your calling. Moving on, let's explore website development. Website development, the backstage magic that makes the internet come alive. It's a field where technical prowess meets creative genius. Now, if you're wondering, what skills do I need? Well, buckle up because we're diving right in. First things first, you'll need a solid understanding of coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of any website. HTML provides the structure, CSS styles it up, and JavaScript adds functionality. If you're just starting, don't fret. There are numerous online resources and courses to help you grasp these languages. Next up, you'll need to familiarize yourself with content management systems, or CMS for short. These are platforms like WordPress and Joomla that allow you to build and manage websites without needing to code everything from scratch. It's like cooking with a recipe and pre-packaged ingredients. It's quicker, easier, and the end result can be just as delicious. Now let's talk about getting clients. One way is to create a portfolio website showcasing your skills and past projects. This gives potential clients a taste of what you can do. You can also network with local businesses or join freelancer platforms. Remember, every website you build not only earns you money but also adds to your portfolio, increasing your credibility. So what about the earnings? Well, as a freelance web developer, your income might vary wildly. It depends on factors like your skill level, the complexity of the project, and the client's budget. But to give you a ballpark, the average freelance web developer can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour. Not too shabby, right? Well, there you have it. Website development in a nutshell. It's a field that requires skill, creativity, and a bit of marketing savvy. But the rewards can be substantial. So if you're tech savvy and enjoy solving puzzles, this could be your golden opportunity. If you're tech savvy, website development could be your ticket to making money. Now let's look at some quick-fire opportunities: social media management, virtual assistants, online tutoring. First off, let's delve into social media management. In this digital age, businesses are eager to maintain a robust online presence, and that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice of a brand on social platforms, engaging with followers, running ad campaigns, and generally keeping the digital world buzzing about the brand. To get started, you need to master the ins and outs of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And the best part? You can earn a pretty penny doing this, with experienced social media managers raking in a hefty income. Next in line is virtual assistants. Think of yourself as an online version of a personal assistant. You could be managing emails, organizing schedules, booking travel arrangements, or even handling customer service, all from the comfort of your home and on your own schedule. To kick off, you need great organizational skills and a can-do attitude. The potential earnings? Well, that depends on the tasks you take on and your level of expertise. But rest assured, there's good money to be made. Finally, we have online tutoring. If you're a whiz in a particular subject, why not share that knowledge and make some cash while you're at it? Online tutoring is all about helping students understand complex concepts, prepare for exams, or simply get better at a subject. To get started, you need to identify your area of expertise and find a platform that connects tutors with students. And in terms of earnings, well, let's just say that knowledge is not just power, it's also profitable. These opportunities are perfect for those who are versatile and have a wide range of skills. So whether you're a social media guru, a master organizer, or a subject matter expert, there are plenty of ways to turn your skills into a steady income stream. Remember, the digital world is your oyster. It's all about finding the right fit for you. Now let's talk about the creative side of things. Content creation for YouTube and selling stock photos. First off, let's dive into the world of YouTube content creation. This is more than just uploading random videos. It's about creating engaging, informative, and entertaining content that viewers will love. Think of it as your own personal TV channel. You could focus on anything from cooking tutorials to tech reviews, DIY crafts to video game walkthroughs. The possibilities are endless. Getting started is as simple as setting up a YouTube account, but succeeding requires consistency, creativity, and a knack for understanding what your audience wants to see. As you gain subscribers and rack up views, you can start to monetize your channel through YouTube's partner program, which allows you to earn money from ads and channel memberships. Some successful YouTubers are making 6 figures or more annually, but remember, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. Next, let's talk about selling stock photos. If you have a good eye for photography and access to a decent camera, this could be a lucrative opportunity for you. Stock photos are used by businesses, bloggers, and designers who need high-quality images for their projects, but don't have the time or resources to take the photos themselves. You can get started by taking a variety of well-composed, high-resolution photos and uploading them to stock photo websites. Some of these sites pay per download, while others offer a percentage of the sale price. Potential earnings vary greatly, but some photographers are making a decent income from their photos. It's important to remember that the market for stock photos is highly competitive, so your images need to stand out. Think unique angles, interesting subjects, and a clear focus. And of course, make sure you're only selling photos that you have the rights to. If you're creative, these opportunities could be perfect for you.
Scene script. Finally, let's discuss affiliate marketing and online surveys. First up, affiliate marketing. Think of yourself as a middleman. You're promoting a product or service offered by another company on your platform, be it a blog, website, or social media account. Every time a visitor clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key here is to choose products or services that align with your platform's content and audience. For example, if you run a tech blog, promoting the latest gadgets or software would be fitting. Getting started is as simple as signing up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Once you're approved, you can start promoting and earning. Potential earnings in affiliate marketing can vary greatly. It largely depends on the products you're promoting, the commission rates, and of course, the size and engagement level of your audience. Some marketers are making a few $100s a month, while others are raking in thousands. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy and persistence, it can be a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time gig. Next, let's talk about online surveys. These are research tools used by companies to gather consumer opinions about their products or services. As a participant, you're essentially getting paid to share your views. To get started, you can sign up with survey sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Once you're in, you'll receive survey invitations based on your profile. Each survey takes a few minutes to complete, and the pay typically ranges from a few cents to a few dollars. While you won't become a millionaire doing online surveys, they are an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. And who wouldn't want to get paid for their opinion, right? These opportunities are great for those who want to make money without much effort. So there you have it, several online opportunities to make money in just 15 minutes. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? We kicked things off with freelance writing, a wonderful opportunity that calls upon your creativity and command of language. Whether it's blogs, articles, or technical writing, there's a wide world of writing waiting for you to conquer. Next, we dove into the world of graphic design services. With the explosion of digital media, your artistic skills can now be monetized like never before. From logos to banners, there's a constant demand for unique designs and visuals. After that, we explored website development. In this digital age, having a robust and engaging online presence is crucial for businesses. If you have a knack for coding and an eye for aesthetics, website development is a lucrative path worth considering. We also skimmed through a quick-fire list of opportunities, including social media management, virtual assistants, and online tutoring. Each one of these roles offers a chance for you to leverage your skills, all from the comfort of your own home. Then we talked about content creation for YouTube and selling stock photos. If you have a creative eye and a passion for storytelling, these platforms provide an excellent avenue for you to share your unique perspective with the world and earn money while doing so. Finally, we touched upon affiliate marketing and participating in online surveys or market research. These options may require a bit more time and effort, but the potential returns are well worth it. Remember, each opportunity we discussed today is just the tip of the iceberg. There's an entire universe of online money-making ventures out there waiting for you to explore. It's all about finding what suits your skills and passions, and then diving in head first. So, why wait? There's no time like the present to start your journey towards financial independence. Give these opportunities a try and see where they take you. And as always, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's make money together.